welcome to the day of the life of an entrepreneur. It's now almost 9:30 a.m. I've been awake for the past hour and I'm at the workplace. This is a job that I do during the weekend. I work for this company, we sell bread, and my delivery driver hasn't arrived yet, so I'm waiting for him. I'm all set up with the canopy and the tables, and I'm just gonna chill right there, drink my coffee until he comes. Still living the life of the coronavirus. Car right here next to me. Got my water right there, coffee right there, and me right here. As you can see, I'm pretty relaxed fit. Work is top and everything. Anyway, work on April's Life and Fitness Drivers. It's considered an early day for me. Usually I'd sleep way longer than this. I'm just gonna chill here, and when my driver comes, I'll show you how I set up and everything. And then I get to work. Peace out. Going to an end. I'm gonna pack up and then we're gonna eat lunch or breakfast or whatever you want to call it, because I didn't eat anything yet, and then head over to the beach. So that's it. Alright, so the work day has officially finished. Now it's time to relax. Let's see how we're gonna relax. I got my shorts with me. I'm sweating and everybody keeps on saying it's a beach day. Let's let the car rev up a little bit. We got this great ginger green drink made 100% from organic ingredients. I'm gonna open up. Still frozen, so I'm just gonna have a quick taste and let it. This is gonna be great for later, of course. Short right here. Fortunately, we also got another drink. That's the fair soda, so it's good for you too. I'll definitely have this with my lunch. First meal of the day. Should stop naming them breakfast, lunch, dinner, but what else can you do? What else can you do? Let's keep going, let's keep going. What can I say? That was a very tasty meal. Right now it's time to get changed and go to the beach. So let's go. So we have this piece of pastry to eat over there. Check this out. with the views. I like this town.
In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone, in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. See, when I was a kid, I'd be staring at PBS or playing tag at recess. Really no need to de-stress, can get whatever I want with just a simple request. Play in the park with no rest and come on feeling refreshed. Life is a gift and I saw it as a blessing. Whenever I went wrong, we move on and learn a lesson. I never felt the need to take a hit or blow the resin, but now the feeling's gone as if God was just messing. And things have changed now that I'm 17. I start to realize that people aren't evergreen. Start to question how and why we disagree and why we're so mean. I wonder why so few people have had a dream, and I'm wishing that it would just slow down. I'm just trying to forget all that I know now. That's why I breathe in slow and let the smoke blow out. So pass it to the left until that Greek in the merry-go-round.
Pretty crowded though. It's actually the most crowded beach since they opened back up for Corona. Yeah, let's go with the flow. Keep your social distance. Have fun. I only got my phone and my car keys with me. Still kinda not used to so much. I throw it back a couple years just for a minute. Guards like a record player back into the finish. Listen to me tell it. Took an initial first step in the water.
It was fourth grade when I first exceeded limits. Ooh, I got suspended. Shouts to Chester Bennett. Teachers acting offended. Really, they just pretending.
Leave your stuff probably unguarded. Most likely no one will touch it. You don't want to risk it.
Punishment possibly lead to good. Fuck a timeout. I'ma live it how I should. I dipped out.
They thought, let me show you this. So the house is on the top right there and right there. They have private access to the beach. Stairs right there. There's right there. Direct access to the beach. Nice, huh? Let's go check out. It's really crowded today. Look at the rocks. Right now the goal is to find a spot where we can get it moving a little bit, do some cardio, get a second swim, 10-15 minutes and get going, because that's how we come to the beach.
Drama Battalion.
Sometimes, man, sometimes it gets hard trying to reach my goal. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I pretend like I'm real close. Sometimes, just sometimes I have to put my life on hold. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I can't dream because I'm still alive.
music. When I hit that mic, I gain control. Speaking purely through my soul, when my mind's in overload. For so long, I was cold. I mean, my heart was froze. Trembling emotions, how the fuck was I supposed to grow? But how the fuck were they supposed to know that my ambitions had me dissing those creating distance from me and my goals? I was so bitter, feeling like I was the run of the litter. But now I deliver like Domino's dinner. Go call me whatever, but can't call me quitter. I'm stuck in my work. They all wanna be eating, but then they desert. Wasn't here in the kitchen, I eating the dishes. Why they here for dessert? They tryna wipe the game, but all they ever do is flirt. I give my heart, I give my soul, I swear I really put in work. Now they look up to me, we see from the same height, on the same earth. Walk the same ground, through the same dirt. Live the same love and the same hurt, cause I'm still woke. But my dreams keep teasing me. They ask when I'm gon' blow up, but that ain't up to me.
Sometimes, man, sometimes it gets hard trying to reach my goal. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I pretend like I'm real close. Sometimes, just sometimes I have to put my life on hold. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I can't dream because I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Yeah, I'm still alive.
Still woke, screaming what the hell I gotta do. Where the hell I gotta take it just to get it through to you. Switching states, constant moves, I even been switching crews. That's the way it happened, but it's not what I wanted to do. Remember talking about the top, talking how we make it. Earthquaking when we hit the ground till the day we make it. Kept it concentrated while they watered down, that's why they hate it. Till I make it, learn to simulate it. Neo in the Matrix. Struggle rapping not by choice, but where I'm at I should rejoice. Rolling through the city with the crew, screaming we the boys. We up next like we with Colin, call it feeling we the best. Girls want me signing theirs by getting weight up off my chest. Cause God and I may disagree, but these days I've been feeling blessed. Pretty crazy how this life is mine. Still woke, but I'll get my shine. Boy broke, you know I still grind. Maybe one day I wake up, find I was dreaming the whole time.
Sometimes, man, sometimes it gets hard trying to reach my goal. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I pretend like I'm real close. Sometimes, just sometimes I have to put my life on hold. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I can't dream because I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Yeah, I'm still alive.
Or you start surfing. I understand why most people surf. Alright, so let's go take a walk around this coastal line and then maybe leave. Hey, here's an update. It's the end of the day at the beach. We're gonna head upstairs and head to the car, walk for about half a mile, and then head home. What can I say? A very nice day, unplanned, unexpected. I mean, half of it planned because I was thinking I'm gonna go to the beach today or tomorrow, so I still went today, which was awesome, and then I'll probably go again Monday or Tuesday. Here's the view from the top. It's gonna be a great sunset. Everybody's leaving. I actually stayed longer than anticipated and I had pretty good fun swimming, so see you next time. Let's meet this beach. That's today's videos probably, so I'm gonna head home, take my shower, change up, prepare a meal, eat some nice food, watch TV. So I'm kind of sad right now. The show that I'm watching has reached season dead end. I was watching How to Get Away with Murder, and I got to season 6. My favorite character died, and usually when the favorite character dies, I mean the principal character, not the favorite character. Usually when the principal character dies, that means the show is over, unless they want to milk it for another more season and do what's afterwards. So still that. Other than that, I'm still going to start watching something new, something interesting maybe. So there's always a bright side to every dark side. For the most part, it was a satisfying day. I'm glad you guys following me, and I'm glad you watched the video till the end. If you like this video, give my channel a follow and give this video a like, and more videos will be coming your way soon. Summer in San Diego, baby.